Okay guys, I'm back and we're going to do another jewelry jar. So this is from my local thrift store. Again. So this one, it was $14.99, and I really did not see anything except one thing in it, which was this watch. I thought this looked kind of cool, and then there was another watch that's in here. I don't see it. It's kind of in the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and open this jewelry jar, if I can get it open. Okay, already I'm seeing some really pretty stuff in here. I hope it's all intact. This is cute. These are acrylic, but it's a nice stretch bracelet. It's kind of cute. Here's another cute little bracelet. Nice little bracelet. These are this one has a lot of wear on it. That will need to go in the craft. This one is going to have to go in craft. It's got a lot of patina on some areas. This jewelry jar was from my local Salvation Army. I thought, after I found a little bit of gold in that last one, I thought I should go back there and buy some more. These are really pretty beads. They have a nice iridescent look to them. They're really pretty. Here is a nice little pendant. Or these glass? Yeah. This is glass. It's unusual. I've never ever seen a necklace like this. This is cool. It needs to be cleaned up. But it is acrylic. I thought it was glass, but it is actually, but it's really cute. I like it. We'll put that to clean and sell in my booth. I have a flea market. This is nice. It looks good. It has a nice little leather that will go for sale in my booth. This is cute. It's a little pet, like cute little necklace. This is pretty. Some really pretty acrylic beads. Craft. This is a okay bracelet. It's a little wonky, but I'm gonna say it's okay. Now this was what I saw in there. I thought this might be valuable. It's a vest. No, pearl. And it looks like a vintage older watch, but now I'm seeing that it clearly has some issues going on here. See that? It's like a handmade watch that's really nice, but this I think could be repaired, honestly, and fixed. I don't know, we'll have to see. It's a very nice watch. Like it looks brand new, and it's cute, and it would be easy to put on. It's got this neat little buffalo button. It's just really cute. It's got this nice little charm that looks like it is sterling. I can tell that looks sterling to me. This one looks sterling as, yes, it is sterling. Okay, so see how funny this is, guys? Like, you never know what you're gonna find. That's why I think it's so important to, you know, really look. Oh, wow, here we go. Sterling. So this was a handmade piece. These are real pearls. Somebody tried to do this, and it's got some sterling charms on it. Look at that, sterling cross. So this is a valuable piece, honestly, guys. These are sterling. So, and this is a pearl watch, which I thought that watch looked important to me. So guys, I'm gonna fix this. This is a keeper. This is a fixer-upper and a keeper. I don't know. I know I can fix this. I can make this work, and we can. This is cool, really cool. There again, guys, a diamond in the rough. Like, honestly, this is so nice. It's got these really vintage little things on here, you know, and vintage accents. I mean, guys, this is really, really awesome. I'm so happy that I am a repair type person, because otherwise I would have just said, oh, that's garbage, you know. But I'm the type of person, I like to repair stuff. This is a nice Geneva watch. This is really nice. I'm gonna put a battery in this. This is super nice. I do watch repairs. I bought a little Amazon you know, deal. Let's see if this works on Amazon, and I'm all about repairing stuff. So let's see if we can make this work, this watch. If it fits, then it's a plus. Yeah, it does. Well, oh well. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, so that may not work. That may not work, guys. The band is probably not going to work, so I might be able to get a band that does, or I might be able to fix that. I don't know. We'll look. We'll figure it out. It's still cool. I like the tortoise shell band on it, honestly. Here's another watch. Very nice. Oh, a Timex. Nice. Vintage Timexes are cool. Oh, even better yet, it's a wind-up. Very nice. And it runs like a tank. Super awesome find, you guys. I love this. I love this watch. wind-up watches that run are so cool. This is turning out to be a really nice jewelry lot so far, guys. The Salvation Army, like, I donated a bunch of stuff to them because their program that they do there is so wonderful. It really is, you guys. Like, I actually know some people that have been through their program. I know them. It's people who have had some major issues going on, and you know, they do a lot of really good work for the community. I will have to say that. Here is a Liz Claiborne. Maybe we can find the piece to that. Here is a really pretty, I do see the other one in there. Here's another earring. There is another, oops. I remember this earring from the other jar that I got. Here's another earring, ring. 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 Okay, here's two matching. Those earrings in the pile. Okay, I see something in here that I think it might be gold. I don't know if it is, but it sure looks like it. Let's look with the loop. Yep, it's something. If I can find the other one. Well, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys, 14K. Winner chicken dinner. I am so stoked right now. Super stoked. Guys, let's look and see what we have here. Lucky, come on, lucky 7. I don't gamble. Okay, let's see. It's 14K. Holding well. It is 14 karat, guys. Whoop. All right. My dog even got excited on that one. Let's see what we have here as far as the weight goes. Just for the one earring, 0.8. So it's 0.8 grams, which means that it's almost worth $47 in scrap. Okay? If I can find the other one. Charles, stop it. He sees a squirrel. I may have to put him up and stop the video. Yep, looks like I'm gonna have... Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. My dog, he was barking at the squirrel because he was hungry. He does that sometimes. You know, oh, here's another match. These are kind of cute. Nice, all working pieces there. Here's a little, nice little duck that is made out of porcelain or plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. Totally cute. Really cute for crafting. That will definitely go in the crafting jar. There's an earring. Nice earring, honestly. If we can find the other one. There's some really cool, that's really cool earring too. Hope I can find, that's a crafting piece. This is an earring. Maybe we can find the other one. This is a belt thing. That's really cool. I like that, honestly. I really do. I love to make stuff. Here is a bracelet. It is just a bracelet. It's still very cool. It's like, it looks like sterling, honestly. It's a nice little bracelet that will go to sell. Here is an earring. If I can find the other one, actually that's gonna have to be craft. That's unusual. I don't know what that is. Hey guys, if you all know how to make this brighter here to where I can see what I'm doing, or like let you all see a brighter picture, post down below. I know some of you probably do this too. I like to watch other people open jars. I learn a lot. It helps me to relax, honestly. And I would really, oh, that's pretty. I can find the other one. I would really like to find that other earring. Honestly, guys, just to be honest. I hope it's in here, but if it's not, it's okay. I did find 2 matching earrings before. Okay, it's not in here, but that's okay. That's okay, honestly. Here is a watch that is definitely going in a craft lot. This is the other matching earring. Okay, I do see some matching earrings here. These are nice. Here's the other one. These are nice clip-ons. Oh wow, here's the other earring. These are cool. I really love those. I love clip-on earrings. I've started wearing them some. Ooh, these are cool. Wow. Oh. You can really dance. Okay, check this out. Nice. Super duper nice. Okay. Here's the other earring. Okay, here's the other earring. Okay, so what I'm going to probably do with all these earrings, I'm going to pick out the ones I like this one, because those are cool. And I may keep them, or I may sell them. The really nice ones. And then, oh, there's that other earring from, like, I have the other piece to this somewhere. Those are really cool. I think I put it in a jewelry lot. Darn it. I did. It's in a jewelry lot. That's what I get for not keeping it. Oh well, you can't keep everything, guys. These are cool. I bought a jewelry jar from them a couple of weeks ago, and that was in there. Okay, so here's the other one, but not. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's it, guys. Don't see anything else. Did find another earring. These match. I think that's it, guys. Oh, and here's Team 97. Cute. Very cute for game day. Okay, guys, I think that concludes the video. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna clean all this up and finish going through this stuff. Thanks for watching. Oh, check out my ring. Isn't it beautiful? Nevada Sterling. I won it on auction. That is a real ruby. It's Art Deco. It is for sale on my Facebook Marketplace page, and it's a gorgeous, amazing condition piece. This one has been put up. This is a vintage ring, and someone never wore it, and it's been tested, and it's real 100%. I'm not sure of the size, except it's probably like a 6 or a 7, possibly. I'm not sure. My hands fluctuate, but that's it. Oh, here's another. Keep finding matches. Oh, but I don't know if I told you this. So what I like to do with all the matching earrings is I like to put them up on, that looks sterling. I like to put them on eBay and like start them out at $19 and let them bid them up. They will do it too. They will bid these up. These are grody to the max with dirt. So they are cool though. I'm gonna have to throw them in the ultrasonic for 2 years and see what happens. They are cool though. Super cool. Rose quartz earrings. And oh wow, I found the other one of these little doodads. Just don't know if you guys know. Post below. Oh, it looks like they're earrings, and these are the backs. Okay, cool, cool. Those are in good working order. Nice little pink gemstones. And here's some more earrings. And so I put these up on eBay and I let them, and I bid them up. That's what I do. So, and it works great. I learned this from a friend of mine. She does this too. I learn from everybody, guys. Like, I really do. And that's how you do. You know, you learn from other people. And that's what makes it just so much fun. 925. This is 925. Too bad I don't have the other one. But that might be a jewel. That might be something. So we'll test that on the Presidium. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. So what we have is all of these nice necklaces. a nice crafting lot. So we have some necklaces for resale. I have this nice Timex wind-up watch that is so cool. This really cool piece with all of these neat antique vintage sterling pieces on them. I'll have to check and see if this is sterling. I think it might be. It really does look like it. And I got this cool watch that has seen better days. But we might be able to salvage it, who knows, somewhere near in the future. And then, of course, I found this amazing 14 karat gold piece that I can get probably $30 for today. So I'm going to go scrap some stuff. And then I got all of these really nice earrings that I'm going to put in my eBay shop. I've got a humongous pile of them that we have got going on here. And guys, the more you have, the higher up they will get bid. Honestly, and everybody loves the really nice big dangly ones. The bigger the better when it comes to the clip-ons, because most people cannot wear clip-on earrings unless they're, most people can't wear big earrings unless they're clip-on earrings, you know, guys? So that's a win-win. All of these great earrings. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also please check out my seller profiles that I have listed on my channel. My eBay. Also have a Facebook Marketplace profile. Come on there, check me out, help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.